Greetings, my name is Daria Jackson-Legonier, co-founder of Online Success Made Simple Inc. Do you struggle with getting sales on social media? Have you considered attraction marketing? Attraction marketing is a strategy used in marketing where a business or individual attracts potential customers or clients by providing valuable information, resources, or solutions to their problems instead of just promoting their products or services. Attraction marketing can benefit you in several ways. Builds trust by providing helpful information and resources. You position yourself as a knowledgeable and trustworthy authority in your industry. This helps to build trust with potential customers, making them more likely to do business with you. Increases brand awareness. Attraction marketing can help to increase your brand awareness by providing valuable content that attracts potential customers to your website or social media platforms. Generates high-quality leads. Attraction marketing helps to attract high-quality leads who are already interested in your products or services, making it easier to convert them into paying customers. Reduces advertising costs. Attraction marketing can be a cost-effective way to promote your business as it relies on creating valuable content that attracts potential customers instead of spending large sums of money on advertising. Improves customer retention. Attraction marketing focuses on building relationships with customers by providing them with valuable information and resources. This can help to improve customer retention as customers are more likely to continue doing business with you if they perceive value in your relationship. Overall, attraction marketing can benefit you by building trust, increasing brand awareness, generating high-quality leads, reducing advertising costs, and improving customer retention. Need help? Would $25 stop you from getting the help that you need? Introducing the Attraction Marketing Blueprint. It provides step-by-step, simple instructions to get you in gear to make unlimited sales on social media. Improve your online presence and learn exactly what to do daily to make sales over and over. To get your copy, send me a direct message, Blueprint.